All right. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to the 2025 Ocean Explorers Research Symposium. I'm really excited to see everyone in person, and I also know we have quite a few people online. So thank you for joining remotely as well. For those of you who don't know me, I am Ellie Walker. I'm the program manager for the Ocean Explorers internship, and I work at the University of Southern Mississippi's Marine Education Center. So the Ocean Exploration Internship allows students from the Jackson State University and the Tuskegee University, which you can discuss with the students after the symposium about that argument. It gives them an opportunity to do research at an OECI, Ocean Exploration Cooperative Trust, partner institution for 10 weeks focused on ocean exploration. And so those institutes are the University of Rhode Island, the University of New Hampshire, Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute, the University of Southern Mississippi, and Ocean Exploration Trust. Now, over the last 5 years that this program has been running, we've allowed 36 students to do internships at all of those different institutions. But this summer, we had 10 students who were at the University of Southern Mississippi, the University of New Hampshire, and the University of Rhode Island. And their research really spanned the whole gamut of ocean exploration. We had research on oysters, CO2 flux, uncrewed surface vehicles, and so much more that you're about to hear from the students today. Over the past 10 weeks, I have had the pleasure to work with this fantastic group of students. They have learned so much, dove so deep into their research, and their passion for their projects really shines through in their presentations. The community that these students have built is also so fantastic. It is so kind and welcoming, and they are just a joy to be with, which I think will also shine through even for those online. But the amount of work that they have done in the last 10 weeks is truly impressive. They have moved to new states or locations, started research projects, analyzed data, and put together these presentations in just 10 weeks, which is so impressive. And I know a lot of the researchers online and in the audience know how impressive that feat is. So I am really proud of each and every one of you, and you should also be really proud of yourself. This is my first year with the program, but the impact that this program has had is really apparent to me. The students started these internships 10 weeks ago with so many worries of, I've never coded in R before, I'm not good at chemistry, and that's my whole research internship. And just a lot of concerns because these topics were so new. But throughout the summer, they really did explore all these different topics. I've seen a lot of passion grow about these topics, and I've been so impressed throughout the week with the questions you all have asked to all the different ocean exploration professionals about your research, their own work, all sorts of things. So I'm sure everyone will learn things throughout the day as you listen to these fantastic students, and I just want to thank you guys for all your hard work this summer. Before we begin the student presentations, we are going to hear from Adam, who is the executive director of OECI. He's also a professor at the University of Rhode Island, and I'll hand it over to Adam. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ellie. I am really thrilled to be able to offer just a few remarks at the beginning of this tremendous program. As Ellie said, we love this program, we love the students, and we love what it's able to do. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of an intro of what OECI does and how we do it. The OECI, or Ocean Exploration Cooperative Institute, works with NOAA Ocean Exploration to explore the submerged territory of the US. And incidentally, that submerged territory is larger in area than the terrestrial portion of the US. And when you consider the volume of water between the sea surface and the sea floor, that dwarfs the amount of the US that is dry land versus wet. So that creates two things. One, it's a tremendous challenge because the area is vast and our site is limited. So there's a huge area left to be explored. And depending on how you consider or how you evaluate whether something is explored, regardless of that, we know very little about the deep sea that is territory of the U.S. But the benefits of knowing what's in the ocean, what's in the deep sea, are vast. I mean, they can range from the discovery of new species, which happens routinely on our expeditions, to the evaluation of human impacts on seafloor ecosystems, from the documentation of seafloor mineral deposits and their associated ecosystems, to the development of new drugs. In short, knowing our oceans contributes to the health, the wealth, the security of our nations, of our oceans, and of humanity. So OECI sets about to methodically explore the oceans using tried and true methods, developing and advancing new technologies that make exploration more efficient and more effective, providing data that serves as a foundation for policy decisions and for scientific advancement, and inviting the public into those exploration activities, as well as training the next generation of ocean explorers in the blue economy workforce. So how do we do it? Plain and simple, it takes a team. A tremendous team of bright, creative, and driven people from all disciplines and walks of life. The person studying the genetics of deep sea sponges is as critical as the person creating a documentary to tell their story. The person measuring oxygen isotopes in sediment pore water is as critical as the person developing code to identify fish in deep sea video. Just as the ocean is a connected web of processes, so is the team needed to explore it. And that's one of the reasons I love this internship program. For the past 10 weeks, these students have been a part of that web, a part of that team. Maybe it will only be for these 10 weeks, or maybe, as I truly hope, this is the case, some will determine that this is where they want to apply their skills and intellect. Regardless, I'm thrilled that we have provided that opportunity to these students, and I hope that they are proud of what they accomplished and realize that they've been part of advancing ocean exploration, and that they now have a new family that they can call on as they progress, who will be thrilled to help and support them. I'll stop there because I really want to hand it back to Ellie so we can get to the stars of today's show. But I just want everyone there to know that I am truly, truly proud of the work that you've done and thrilled that we could be part of the same team for these past 10 weeks.